If you want to get the dry mascara out, stop doing this! Stop! Hi, I'm Julia, the Mirror Beauty, and let me explain why. So when you're doing these pumping movements, you only make the air enter the tube and the mascara dries down even faster, which is exactly the opposite of what you want. Now, what you can actually do to revive your drying mascara, let me just show you. Okay, so first of all, you need to determine whether the mascara is dry or there is just no product left. How you can do that? If you want to get the resting product out, if you think there is little product left, you just do these movements. So basically with the wand, you gather the mascara from the sides of the tube. Don't worry about picking up too much because then it goes through the ring. Hear the sound? And the excess is left inside all the same. As you see, this mascara is quite dry. Now, I'm absolutely sure that there is still a lot of product left because I have only used it a few times, but I've had it for a while, so it has dried down. And what you can do in this case, if you're sure that there is product left, but it's just dry, you can use a lens solution, a solution for contact lenses, which you probably already have if you have contact lenses, or if you don't, you can get it in any pharmacy, in any drugstore. And it's really quite an affordable thing to get. I have this huge bottle right here, but you can also get it in small. So what you do is you open your mascara and you just drop a couple of drops into the tube. You can also drop them right on the wand. Like, don't pour the whole bottle in there, that's not needed. Then you close your mascara back. Shake it well. In all directions. Give it some time, like a couple of minutes. Magic is happening inside. Actually, chemistry is happening inside. And behold! This is way better. Now, if you feel like this hasn't quite dissolved, you can shake it some more, or you can do the same movement with the wand across the walls of the tube to basically spread the product, the lens solution, better. Right there. And then drag it out once more. Look at this, the mascara looks perfectly fine to use now. And it was hell of a dry. If 2 drops didn't help, you can always add 2 more, but I can guarantee that if the product is still there, if the mascara is not finished, this will definitely help. And if you want to know how to apply your mascara perfectly every time, just watch this video right here, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Bye!